You good? You stuck? Hold on, let me pull up. I can't hear you.
I don't have gasoline.
What happened?
Normal.
Huh?
Normal gasoline.
No gas?
No gas.
It's out of gas?
I have to put gas.
You need gas? You got a container? I could go get you a little bit.
I don't have.
You know a
I don't
container?
have a container, no.
Damn.
Jesus Christ.
Let me go take a ride down to the gas station and see. If they got a container, I'll get one and I'll bring you a little bit of gas, enough to get you to the gas station.
You need money?
No, I got it, bud. Don't worry about it. It's okay. It's fine. I got it. If they got it, I'll cover it. It's no big deal. I just don't want to see you sit. There's a bad spot to be stuck, and you're like half in the road. So I'll shoot down there. Even if they don't have anything, I'll get something, and I'll put some gas in something, and I'll bring it back for you.
Yeah,
Give me like 5-10 minutes. I'll be back. Of course.
God bless you.
Of course. I just don't want to see anybody stuck, especially here. Just be careful. These people out here don't know how to drive.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Give me 5-10 minutes.
All right. Wow.
You're good. Yeah, I know. I know how it is. Found a gas can. It's fucking expensive. I can't believe they fucking want this much for this stupid thing, but homeboy needs it. He offered me some cash. He said I didn't need it. I just wanted to fucking get him off the road, out of that spot. He's in a fucking horrible spot. It's gonna be a bitch getting up there with this fucking thing too. Fucking gas gonna get everywhere, all over me. My gloves. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I think that'll do it. Tuck it under the arm. At least till I can get going, and then I can just fucking hold it. I got you, bud. You're good, bud. I can't leave you sitting here by yourself. It fucking slipped out of my hand and flipped over and spilt on me a little bit, but it's like 2 gallons, so that should get you enough to get wherever you're going. You sure? Thank you. I know how it goes, bud. I'd seen you. I was like, I went by the first time. I was like, I should have stopped then, because then I could have just got the gas, and then I came back up. But go ahead and get it in, and I'll watch your back. You gotta take the black thing off, yep. God damn it. You got a knife on you? No. Ah. Screwdriver? I got it. Yeah, I got it. I thought we were gonna have to, ooh. Should be set. Going? Good. Huh?
Where you find it?
The gas station.
You have to buy this?
Yeah.
How much is this?
Too much for the gas station, but it was like they wanted like 15 bucks for it. That's why I'm gonna let you keep it. I don't need it. I know. People don't even slow down. Is it going? Did it come out? Or is it full still? You gotta push that thing in. Here, let me see. That red thing right there. You gotta fucking pinch it up. And most of them. There you go.
Out.
You gotta push that thing in.
Oh, okay.
It's fucking stupid, but
Yeah.
it's going now. I can hear it.
Yeah. Jesus Christ. My name is George.
George, I'm Dan. Nice to meet you. I've been stranded too many times. I won't leave people. Not if I can help them. How long you been here? How long have you been sitting here?
Woulda money.
Willimantic?
Yeah.
So you're close.
About 30 years.
Yep. I used to live out there.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, on Keaton, behind the DMV. My kid's mother lives over there still. It's almost done.
Okay.
Good? It's over half of it. That's enough to get you home.
Yeah.
Here. Want to put that in
we're
the...
going to the gas station.
Yep.
You know.
Fill her up.
Yeah. Thank you, Bobby.
Yeah, anytime. Oh, you want your rag? I'll make sure you get out, it starts so you can get out of here.
Yeah.
It'll probably take a minute. Your fuel pump's probably dry, everything's probably dry. More. Well, at least George is gonna make it home.